What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tex-Mex. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of wrenching on the old Camaro. Now, obviously the wiring harness is fucking fried, as y'all saw in the introduction video. So we're going to be working on ripping some of that out today. I already kind of got started on clipping just some of the unnecessary bullshit, because this whole car is going to get the full wiring harness treatment. It's going to get the full painless harness, still have yet to order, just because, broke ass mechanic light. So, that'll be, to come in the future, but let's work on getting this shit ripped out first. Also was working on, deleting the AC, just because, it did come equipped with the AC from the factory, but it never worked. Even the vintage air system that we installed, no matter how good a condition everything was in and everything was testing right, it refused to blow cold. So I just dealt with it, never had AC in the car to begin with, so I'm not really all that worried about it. And if it's just going to be a fun haver, I don't really need AC, let's be honest. So working on ripping that out today. Let's go ahead and take a look at what all we got going on. Alright, so we've gotten all the wiring harness shittery right here down to the firewall. So, dang, big old Cummins, right on. Hell yeah, brother. Now, we got her down to basically the firewall. Now, there's a lot more that needs to come out. I need to, futz with the headlights and the turn signals and everything. But basically got the AC wiring harness fully clipped and everything ready to go. So let's go ahead and start working on getting that box removed. Alrighty, y'all. So as you can see, we got most of the mounting bolts for the box here taken out. All we gotta worry about is that little fucker right down there. Might be kind of hard to see because shitty iPhone camera, because broke mechanic life. But yeah, let's see if we can get a wrench in there. See if we can get cranking on this thing here. Let's see. Gotta love these tight spaces, right? So. Yep, sad news, boys. Got the fucking bolt out. However, when trying to give her some flat-headed encouragement, it proved to be a little stubborn. So, that's fucked. So, I do believe that there are some fasteners for this fucking bitch of a box somewhere under the fender. So, we are going to have to take this whole ass section off, which I'm kind of thinking we might have to anyway to pull the wiring harness from the fucking headlights and turn signals and all that shit. It would at least make it a hell of a lot easier. However, that's going to be a bit of a fucking project. I mean, there's one body mount bolt right there, but shit. There's a few on here as far as I know. So, yeah, is she a little bit of a fucking shitstorm, boys? But, we'll get her done. It's a project car. If you don't fucking stab at it, it ain't gonna fix itself. So, yeah, I guess we'll get at her and, we'll see what we can do. Well, guys, unfortunately, we're running out of daylight here. It's coming toward the end of my day off, so we got to get back to work at the shop here within the week. So, we'll go ahead and get back at the Camaro project here shortly. We've definitely got some cranking to do on this thing before she'll purr again. So. Definitely going to be bringing some buddies over to help out. I'll definitely, include them on the channel and everything. But, I couldn't leave you guys without some kind of crispy content, right? So, going to give y'all a little cold start and rev on the old 99 Sporty here. So, let's see. Let's see if she'll purr. Let's see. Bit of a process with the carbs, so give me just a second. purrs like a kitten. Wee. Yes, sir. Yeah, she a crispy one. This here bike. And I've had this thing since senior year, and man, it's been great. Like, you know, when I first got it, it was kind of a POS. Definitely needed a reseal job and everything, but got to work on that. Got her done, got her looking pretty, and haven't been happier. She's been great to me, runs like a fucking tank. So, yeah, I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching Tex-Mex, and yeah, check back soon. Thank you, guys.